Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of decorating for Christmas. Today I have to, well, I'm going to, I don't have to, but I'm going to change my background for my videos. So I'm going to be moving this vanity, and I'm going to be putting it against that wall a different way. You'll see. But yeah, I want to change my background up for my videos. It's also gonna give me more angles to work with and open up this space a lot more. I just kind of thought about it one day and now it's in my head and I have to do it. That's kind of how everything starts. So yeah, that's the plan, is we're gonna move this around. It's kind of a lot of work because I have to change the wires and everything, and I don't know how much of it's gonna be boring, so I might cut out some of this stuff of like the wiring, like, you know, the boring stuff. You guys started to see that, but I'll definitely show you the ending. And then decorating, because I have all my stuff that I decorate in here. If you guys saw yesterday's video, I decorated my living room area, like in my main part of my house. That's the more like bulk of my decorating for Christmas. This is just on a smaller scale because I like to like put it in my background for you guys during Christmas. I have like my tree and, you know, just other things that are gonna go in my background. Not quite sure how I'm gonna do it this year, since last year I just literally, I mean, normally you guys see this is my background right here, but I'm going to be, the angle is just gonna be different, so I don't really know exactly how I'm gonna be decorating since it's gonna be different, but we'll cross that when we get there after I move everything around. I think this is gonna really open up the room. It's gonna make it a lot more functionable, because when I have clients in here and I'm doing their makeup, it's kind of a little bit of a maze, and like I have to put the chair in the middle of the room. It's, I don't know. So I think it'll be better, especially when they bring more than one person, because that happens sometimes. I do also have a chair over here on this side of my, listen, it's a mess right now. We're getting to it. But yeah, I have a chair over here that they sit in sometimes, and when the people, like when they bring more than one person, it just is, there's a lot in here. So I think it'll open the room up. It'll be nice and give me more angles for my videos. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Let's go ahead and get started moving this around. Cue the Christmas music.
It's falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
So you guys just saw how I cleaned that, right? Let me show you something. Look at all of these marks all over it. I'm thinking, I don't know for sure yet. I'm thinking I'm gonna cover this tabletop with, basically with some of this like contact paper that looks like this, because I have a bunch like left over. So I think I might put that on here because this just looks terrible.
See you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
So it's a little whiles later. I had my camera was acting very strange. I had to dump all the footage, and it's a long story, but then I got really distracted because if you guys saw, literally almost fell. If you guys saw, let me back you up and show you. It's fine, everything's fine. So here's my vanity. I have this board over here, right here. You guys may have seen before where it was just like this. Over decorate things okay, I swear. When I move my vanity, you have that big gap of it. Alright. Okay, that's a bit dramatic, isn't it? No. Okay, good. There is a gap over there between my shelving and the vanity. I just feel like it makes the room look so like incomplete and awkward and it doesn't look right. So I thought, you know, my little brain got to thinking, I have this board that I can put over it so that it kind of fills in that gap, and then I kind of have like a long desk that goes into the shelving area, you know? Do you feel what I'm saying? And this was kind of my plan like all along, was I wanted to kind of like fill in the gap with this board to make it longer. But then once I had everything moved, it got real complicated and this board was actually too long, so I had to figure out a way how to cut it. And if you guys can see my terrible cutting job here, listen, we are not construction people in this household, and we have very limited tools. So I had to make what I had work, and it looks terrible, but it works. And I'm gonna cover this part with more of this marble contact paper anyway, so like you really won't even be able to tell that it looks crappy. It's fine, it serves a purpose. So what I did is now I have this board. So now it kind of fits perfectly right here. I'm gonna put my trash can under there. The cabinets are fine because I can still technically reach in there, and I don't really grab into those cabinets very often. It's just like makeup bags and traveling stuff that, you know, nobody's traveling right now, it's fine. So now I have a little bit of extra table space as well. I can take my cords down. You guys don't need to know all that. This is boring stuff. But I definitely do want to cover this with the marble contact paper. So I think that's what I'm gonna do next, if I have enough, because I'm realizing I only have one tube. I have another one, but it's like a dark marble. There is not enough for either kind of the marble. So obviously I wanna go with the lighter one the most so that I can match that other one. I think I'm going to have to hold off on that project, get more contact paper, maybe tomorrow, cover it, and then I will show you guys the totally finished project, everything, decorating everything at the end. But for now, let's move on. If I'm honest with you guys, I think this is one of those situations where I'm going to have, I'm sorry, do you want to see my whole face? I think it's gonna be one of those situations where I'm gonna be a little undecided about all this for a few days until I really figure out how I want this to be set up. So this might be a little weird, but I think I'm gonna come back in a few days. After I have the contact paper, I kind of mess with all this stuff, and we will finish up the decorating. Everything's still gonna be in this video, obviously, because there's still more time, right, to watch. So I'm just going to let everything kind of marinate in my head for a minute, and then I will come back to you guys in a couple of days and we'll finish decorating and everything. But for you, it's gonna be about 5 seconds. So I will see you soon. Look what I got. It's the next day. Actually, went to a few different stores, like 4 stores, and found the contact paper that I need to finish doing this tabletop so we can actually get to the decorating part of this video. So first I'm gonna go ahead and take all this stuff off, and we're gonna cover the tabletop with the contact paper, the marble, and we'll go from there.
I'm writing Christmas postcards out by the pool. It's 70 degrees in the shade and the breeze is cool. Yeah. Even though we don't get snow, I still think it's the place to go. Where the weather outside doesn't get frightful, it just stays warm and delightful. That's Christmas time.
Alrighty guys, what do you think? Does it look nice? Does it look nice? It's not perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and clear everything off, the shelves and everything, and we're gonna start finally decorating. I'm super excited to decorate. I'm ready for this to just be done, to be honest, because I've been putting it off. It's been taking me a lot longer than what it should. So let's do it. Forgot there was chocolate in this mug. It's literally been in here for like a year. Alright, now I'm going to put the stuff on here that I know like has to stay on this shelf because I don't really have anywhere else to put it. Alright guys, let me show you guys all of my Christmas decor. So I like to do like a pink, I think I'm gonna go for pink and silver. So I actually just got these candles. Aren't they so cute? Pink to silver ombre. I have a few of these like tiny stockings. Oh my god, these are freaking adorable. I just got these this year too. Also got this tiny little mini tree skirt for one of the trees. I don't know if, I mean, I want to use it. We'll see how it goes. But both of my little mini trees here have these like burlap on the bottom. I might still be able to use the tree skirt though. So I have one that's flocked, still have like tinsel on it from last year. And then this one is just like more of a plain one, and it also has garland, is that what it's called? I forget, on it as well. And we're gonna do a silver with, well, this is just gonna go in the background. Oops. Sorry. But I'm definitely gonna be using these bulbs. These are pink and silver, super cute. I also have some mini ones. Oh my god, these little mini bulbs are like literally the absolute cutest. I'm not gonna use the gold ones. Do love pink and gold, I do. My whole theme right now on my channel is pink and gold, white Christmas. But my actual like decorating, I'm gonna do pink and silver and white. But I also have these silver and white ones. And then I also have these ones, which I might put on the other Christmas tree, but I don't know yet. But I think I'm gonna use like the silver and pink ones as extras as with the other ones. I also have some little snowflakes. And I also have some little snowflake lights. So let's decorate these little trees.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good.
All right, tree number 1 is done. I think I'm going to be putting it right over here.
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is
guys, so this is essentially what one of the new angles for filming videos could be. Oh my gosh, I love all my Christmas decorations so much. But because of the way that I moved everything around, I hope you guys enjoyed like all the decorating part. I think it came out really nice. But because of the way that I set everything up, like I said, if you like my old background, easy peasy. Ta-da! And here's my old background. Of course the lighting, you know, it's like on the side kind of right now, but we did it. There you go, that looks better. Also my glasses, yeah. So, oh my gosh, this is so exciting to be able to do all these new angles but still have my old background. I love this so much. And I love my little Christmas tree. Yeah, there's just so many angles I can do now. It's so nice. I don't really love the brown right there, but I'm not gonna stress about it because we're only gonna be living here in this house for 6 more months or so, you know, it's fine. That is everything for day number 2 of Lovemas. Of course, my battery died right when I was finishing my outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs so far. Tomorrow is going to be a more formal video. You're going to see me right here in front of my new setup. And then we will do more vlogs over the weekend. I don't even think I explained any of that. Oopsies. So basically I'm going to be posting videos every day of the week except for Saturdays, and on the weekends, well, on Sundays it's going to be a vlog kind of style video, and the rest of the week, the Monday through Friday, is going to be more of a video where I sit down like this, we talk about makeup, you know, my normal kind of videos. So if you guys are interested in seeing all those kinds of videos and everything for the whole month of December, make sure you subscribe if you're not already. I would really appreciate it. I would love to have you here. And yeah, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.